FunTalk, friends.
One sunny day, a curious monkey spotted something shiny and green. A big, juicy watermelon. Looks delicious. A wise parrot saw trouble. Let go and run. A hunter is coming. But the greedy monkey held on tight. I want my watermelon. Without thinking, the monkey reached in and grabbed as much as he could. But now, his fist was stuck. The hunter was almost there. The monkey had to decide keep the fruit or save himself. At the last moment, the monkey let go and escaped. Phew! That was close. From that day on, the monkey remembered sometimes it's better to let go. Greed can trap you. Freedom is far sweeter. Moral: sometimes letting go is wiser than holding on. Greed can trap you, but freedom brings true happiness.
Subscribe for more stories on the FunTalk Friends channel.